Hello everyone. When it comes to three-phase induction motor, circle diagram is the most important topic. Today we will learn how to draw a circle diagram of three-phase induction motor. So what is circle diagram? It is a graphical tool to find out various induction motor parameter for different motor loading condition. These parameters are not mentioned on the nameplate of induction motor. Circle diagram helps us to reduce the efforts than using equation every time. Required test for draw a circle diagram, that is no load test and block rotor test. We have test data from no load test and block rotor test. From this data we can draw a circle diagram. Now coming to calculation part, we can draw phi 0 and phi SC from the above formulas. From the formula, phi 0 comes out to be 78.35 and phi SC comes out to be 67.82. Phi 0 is the angle between voltage and no load current, whereas the phi SC is the angle between voltage and block rotor current. Now calculating most important part, that is ISN. As we know the formula for ISN, the ISN comes out to be 52 ampere. Similarly, WSN comes out to be 6800 watts. Now we will start to draw a circle diagram. First of all, draw x-axis and y-axis, which represents voltage on x-axis and current on y-axis. After that, taking proper current scale, that is 1 cm is equal to 2.5 ampere. Therefore, length of I0 can be obtained by dividing current scale. It comes out to be 2 cm. After that, we will draw I0 at an angle phi 0. The length of I0 is 2 cm. After that, we have to draw parallel line to y-axis. The length of ISN can be obtained by dividing current scale. It comes out to be 20.8 cm. After that, ISN is drawn at an angle of 68.82 from the origin. After that, draw a perpendicular line. Now mark the point as A, B and C. Now taking a midpoint between A and B and give the name as D. Now drawing the line that gives torque line from O dash to D. Now draw a line from O dash to A that gives output line. Now bisect the output line by taking greater distance from the midpoint. Now taking P as a center, drawing a semicircle from point O dash which passes through A. Now calculating power scale. As we already calculated, WSN is 6800 watt. First we have to measure the length of AB. Now dividing WSN by the length between A and B, which comes out to be 1073 watts. As we know the induction motor is 5 HP. We have to convert that 5 HP into watts. We get 3730 watts. Now extend the line from A, whose length is to be 3.4 cm as shown. After doing calculation, we get 3.4 cm. After that, marking angle of phi 0 and phi SC. As we know, the line O dash to A gives output line and O dash to D gives torque line. The point D to C represents stator copper losses and A to D represents rotor copper losses. Now draw a line parallel to output line from point A and extend it up to it intersect a semicircle and give the point name as M and I1. Now join I1 and origin, which represents full load current. Now draw a line from I1 and give it name as P. Give the output line point as K and give torque line point as name R. Now bisect the torque line and take an angle of 90 degree from torque line and Now draw a perpendicular line to torque line and extend it till it intersects the semicircle. Now draw a perpendicular line to reference line up to torque line, which gives us maximum torque. Similarly, draw a perpendicular line to reference line, which gives us maximum power respectively. Now giving point lengths of maximum torque and maximum power. The point CD represents fixed losses.